Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's normally says shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. So, without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason why we're here. It is all about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See, I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to listen to every word. Abba, see, this our brother. Oh my goodness. Now God now give am wisdom. Oh my God. Please listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Just a quick question. Who is going to be held accountable for the 28 people that was gunned down in Mazina and the Kanu's house? Now, you are too quick to try Mazina and the Kanu because he's an Igbo man, and that is the simple truth. But you are not too quick to address the reasons and the issues of the 28 people that was gunned down in his house. You were too quick to ask him about Ahmed Goodluck that was killed by the Nigerian forces. But you were not too quick to address the innocent people that you killed in Mazina and the Kanu's house that led to his escape from his father's house, where he was sitting comfortably enjoying the bail of Binta Nyako. You see, Nigeria is a country that has reduced its value by corruption. And we can no longer stand and watch all this evil happening the way it's going. A lot of people are saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed a crime. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, point out one crime that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed. You are not able to point out any. You come out and rant and run your mouth, and yet you don't know the genesis of this whole problem. And I want to put it out to you, government of Nigeria, that you can't jail him. You can't jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not on this planet Earth. Before you try to jail him, go and bring Sunday Igboho, aka Igboho, if I'm not mistaken. Showore ignited the 2020 protests across the nation. Who said to say end SARS protests? Showore was arrested, detained, and he's released. Why? Because he came from the West. Today, you are trying to make a point, a relevant point, cramping down on Nnamdi Kanu. Why? Because he's seeking for his own nation, which is enshrined in Nigerian constitution, self-determination, which is also enshrined in UN constitution, self-determination, and yet you are going against the UN charter to try an innocent man that stands up to defend his own people. And then went as far as Kenya after he might have run away from the Nigerian military in order not to take his life. You went as far as Kenya to kidnap him, extraordinary rendition him back to Nigeria, and now you are trying him. On what ground are you trying him? On what laws are you trying him? So when I hear that Nnamdi Kanu is coming to court, it doesn't move me, because I know what they are doing is just wrong and evil and very bad intentions. That's what they have. They are not doing any trial. They're just doing persecution. They're just persecuting him. Somebody has once told you people, if you cannot jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then kill him. Let this whole thing be over. Then if you cannot kill him, release him, let him go home. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu is a British citizen, so it becomes very difficult for you people to jail him. Nnamdi Kanu was not kidnapped with Nigerian passports. That would have been an easy slide for you. Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped with a British passport. Malami came to lie to Nigeria because Nigeria is, bent on lying. That is their trademark. Nigeria is full of lies. Malami came to lie to the public that Nnamdi Kanu was intercepted by Interpol with his Nigerian passport on his way to Kenya and was brought back to Nigeria to come and continue his trial. I then now ask, what trial is he going through if it's not persecution? You see, the government feels that they can build nothing on nothing and expect those things to stand. It cannot stand again. We are now woken up. We are now awake. And now the same thing is going on now to with Simon Ekpa. You wanted to bring him, give a dog a bad name, and kill him. Now, and kill it. Now, what you did was bring him, jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that you have something to submit to Finland, so that Finland will use it as a case study and jail Simon Ekpa. But it didn't work out for you. Are you not surprised we know this? Are you people not surprised we know this? Now, just because it didn't work out for you, and then time was going against you people now went through the back door again, met with the Finnish police, tried to sort one or two, and they brought out this case. Now, that same terrorist intention to incite terrorism with social media is now in court, and then you people are going to come to that same court to defend these whole allegations. The Biafrans we are dealing with today is not the Biafran of 1960 or 1966. I have better things to do than coming here to discuss Biafran's matter. But the reason why we are taking this seriously, it is in Nnamdi Kanu today. It is Simon Ekpa tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be my brother, my mother, or any of my loved one. And that is why we must speak out of this evil that Nigerian is carrying out on our citizens. The earlier, the better for us to rise up and defend our own. All the billionaires we have are now dancing to the tunes of the Fulanis. And that is what you people do. And that is how far and how bad it is today. No Biafran is a strong person in Nigeria today. No Igbo man is strong today. Yet they burn down your business. They destroy anything that concerns an Igbo man. Ezendi Igbo Najawu Estate was arrested for doing nothing, just for saying if Nigerian government cannot protect the Igbo people's shops just because of the looting and the burning and the destruction that they are carrying out on the market, I'm going to invite ESN. They took him to prison for 2 years for doing nothing, just because he's an Igbo man. And you want us to stand here and watch all these things and keep quiet and go to bed with our family. It doesn't work for us. Something brought you people to power, this injustice. That is what is going to bring us to power as well. To come and set the record straight and put things right. Now you have to come to that same Finland that you have given, because time is going, time is running against you. And somebody asked me a fantastic question. He said, oh, he doesn't trust Finland, which I don't as well, because of what they have done in the recent months. I don't trust Finland. Is Finland not going to jail our prime minister? And I asked the guy a question. Oh, if you don't trust Finland, why is Finland still keeping Mazi Simon Ekpa in their country? Why is Finland not has listening to the Nigerian government by bringing Mazi Simon Ekpa to Nigeria? So sometimes you think. We know what we know because we know what we know. Mazi Simon Ekpa is not going to any prison. Nigerian people are the ones set up for destruction. Because I continue to tell you people this. They have narrowed themselves in a corner that they can't throw any punch again. And I'm telling you people the truth. They can't throw a punch at this time to Biafrans. What happened was for our own good and for our own favor. And I continue to tell Biafrans to be resolute. Nothing. You see, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can never go to jail. Mazi Simon Ekpa, not on this planet Earth, he can never go to jail. And we are waiting for Nigerian government to come. Let them come, because we are really waiting. Let them come. And they're going to come. One person must be here. And on this note, I have to tell you guys, be strong, be mentally tough. We are going to be telling you nothing but the truth. Biafrans, I love you guys, and together we are going to break their back. Please always follow Dr. Madam Ngozi Orabueze, our COS. She's doing a very fantastic job. She's doing wonderfully well. She's really defending Biafra all over the world. She's creating this awareness that people need to know that Biafrans have been subjugated in Nigeria. And she's moving fast, recognizing other countries and other countries as well, recognizing the United States of Biafra. The shocker and the spoiler alert is, I'm not going to tell Biafrans, but just expect in the next video. I might be dancing in the next video. You might be dancing. And remember, Prime Minister may join us today, tomorrow, next, or this evening. Or he may tweet today because Nigeria has no case. So you might not even get to the courts. But remember, I didn't tell you he's going to come out. I'm just saying an assumption from what I know. He might tweet today. He might tweet this evening. He might tweet this morning after this video. Or he might tweet tomorrow. I don't know. But we know what we know. Self-determination is not a crime anywhere in the world. So, Nigeria, you have set up yourself for self-destruction. Believe that. Thank you, dear friends. May God bless you all.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Where to like the video, share, and subscribe. I see them in your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you, and bye for now.